from BM Diagnostics using rapid testing and AI to improve cardiovascular care. Please welcome them to the stage.
Every 30 seconds, a life is lost to heart disease due to silent symptoms missed by the current standards of care. I'm Matteo Boldreghini, CEO and founder of BM Diagnostics, and we have the solution. We built a point-of-care AI platform that delivers lab-grade results in 15 minutes for the detection of cardiac early biomarkers with 99% accuracy. By replacing $1,000 ER visit with a $50 test, we are disrupting the healthcare economics. We have already pre-validated our product launch with LOIs, and we are backed by Dr. Frank Peacock and authority in FDA clearances. We are here for warm introduction to medtech investors, to ambulances networks, and to first aid responders ready to reshape the global procedure of ER. Are you ready to accelerate the future of decentralized care with us? Let's connect.